Janani Ashok Kumar is well-established name in Tamil telefilm industry and enjoys a strong social media following. She made her acting debut in the Tamil film Nanpenda, starring alongside Nayanthara under the direction of Jagadish. Over the years, she has featured in several popular TV series including Mappilai, Sambarathi, Maunaragam, Ayudhezhuthu, and Nam Iruvar Namukku Iruvar too, and where her portrayal of Sharanya was widely appreciated. Idayam, directed by Tirumati Hitler, famed Rajkumar, stars Janani Ashok Kumar and Richard Chose in the lead roles. The show also featured an ensemble cast including Puvi, Suganya, Hema Dayal, Sudarshanam, Aarti Ramkumar, Sinkaraja, Deepa, Vigneswaran, Titian, Sanjay, and Siddharth Kapilawai. Janani departure